Okay guys, so if you have a 2014 to 2019 Chevy Silverado, your back headliner is looking like this, and you're wondering what the heck is going on, I've got the solution for you. It's actually the third brake light back here. Up at the top, the seal fails and it leaks through the headliner. It'll start staining your headliner like this. You can actually get mold growing up there too. So we're gonna go ahead and fix that today, and then we'll get the headliner cleaned up. So I'll put the link in the description below. You're gonna go and get yourself one of these third brake light gaskets. There's two different kinds online. There's this type, which is the single-sided, which is what you want. There's another type online that has double-sided tape. Only use that if you never plan on taking the brake light out ever again. Some people put caulking around it, and if you do that, you'll have a hell of a time trying to get that off if your brake light fails. So link below in the description for this. Order yourself one, and we'll go ahead and get this third brake light off. Now for the bolts to get the third brake light out, you're going to want to go ahead and, where is it on here? Right there, get yourself a T20. It's one of these star-shaped looking bits, and that'll fit right in there and take it out. Even with a back rack on, you'll still be able to get these out easily. So I just got myself a little extension screwdriver here. Put this in. And just like that, we can start turning it out. These are pretty long bolts, so just make sure it doesn't fall in between the bed and the cab. Once your two screws are out, go ahead and peel this off. You can just go ahead and get yourself a long flathead screwdriver. Go just gently prying behind here. Got a rag so I don't scratch the paint. The adhesive is so old, it's just starting to stick onto there. So there we go, we got it out. So here's the old one. You can see this top part here has failed. It's basically all squished in, there's nothing really left to it. The bottom part's a little plush still. So now we'll go ahead and just rip this old one off, clean up the mating surface with some Gone, scrub it down, and apply our new gasket. If you want to bring this over the workbench, this connector here, there's a little tab down here, push that in, you'll be able to pull this connector out. And now we can bring it over to the bench and clean the old gasket off. All right, so we're on the bench here. We're just taking a flathead screwdriver, running this along the old gasket, and it seems to be coming off nicely there. And the old gasket should come right up. Okay, so we got our old headlight all cleaned up there. Just took some parts cleaner and some Scotch-Brite. There we go, it's a bit better. You can see it's all cleaned up. So make sure it's nice and dry. Now we'll take our new gasket. So I can already feel the material on this gasket is much thicker and denser than this old stuff. There's basically nothing to it. So we'll pop this metal part out, test fit. It just goes right like that. Those got to get tucked underneath. So there's a couple retaining clips here. Just make sure the gasket gets tucked underneath of there when you go and put it in. Go ahead and peel our sticker off. Get the sticky side ready. There we go. So just gently press and tuck the gasket down underneath the retaining clips. And the rest of the gasket should just fall into place. just like that. We got the new gasket on. This one feels much better than the old one. Should have any issues, we don't need to do any silicone or anything crazy like that. So, cheap fix, guys. Now we'll get back on the truck, reinstall this, and that's it. Okay, so back up on the truck. First thing you do is reinstall your connector. It should just click right in just like that. And just make sure your wires are tucked back in there. There we go. Make sure there's a little, I'll pull that back out there. Make sure that goes into the hole there, as well as on this side. A little plastic knob there, black one, should go into that hole. Just like that. If I pull this up a bit, it should go in there. And now, okay, so it'll pop back in. Once you get everything aligned down there, we'll go ahead and grab our screws. We'll start reinstalling the screws into the brake light. Once you start getting it screwed in here, it will start sucking itself in on the top little gap up there. Start pulling itself into the gasket. So you do want this nice and tight. You don't want it too tight and break the plastic housing. There we go. That feels good. Give this side another little tighten. And that feels like it's bottomed out there. There we go, guys. That's tight. Oh yeah. There. Quick and easy fix for 2014 to 2019 Chevy Silverado, even with a back rack on. Next up, we'll be doing a interior detail on here. Scrub out all these stains on the roof. Get it all cleaned up, and that should fix it up for in here.